The garbage disposal, one of our most used kitchen appliances, and sometimes the most understood kitchen appliance, the garbage disposal. Here are some tips on how to keep it running smoothly. Good morning, I'm Mark Renner from Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate. I'm known as Mr. Omaha. That's my logo in the upper corner of your screen. Today I want to talk to you about garbage disposal tips. You know, when your garbage disposal isn't working or isn't working correctly, you really realize how much you depend upon it. Ours had a problem after Thanksgiving. Somebody put a plastic fork down the garbage disposal. It jammed, and it took a couple days for the plumber to get here to get it fixed. During those 2 days, we realized how much we needed it. And so we had the plumber come, and we talked about a few garbage disposal tips that I want to share with you today. Disposal items to avoid: pasta, rice, potato peels, eggshells, bread products, and don't put any grease oil down the garbage disposal. Dispose of it some other way. Disposal maintenance. So you're going to use it, so start early while continually running the water and then turn it on. But here's one of the tips that we learned from the plumber. Your garbage disposal will accumulate some waste around the edges of the inside of the machine, of the disposal itself. So every few weeks, run 4 or 5 glasses of ice cubes through your garbage disposal. And this will knock loose that sediment that is around the inside of the garbage disposal and will help prolong the life of your garbage disposal. Are you thinking of moving? Let me give you a few reasons that I'd like to have you consider and give me a phone call as to things I'd like to talk to you about and tell you a little bit about my track record, which has been pretty good. I hope you would agree. I've been voted the outstanding agent in Omaha twice. The Omaha Area Board of Realtors has honored me as a legend in real estate. My company has an incredible market share. Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Ambassador Real Estate, we have over a 40% market share in the Omaha area. Let me get rid of that. We have over a 40% market share in the Omaha area, and executive homes at 500,000 and above, we have over a 50% market share. So we have a really great company. So please give me a call. I'm Mark Renner at Berkshire Hathaway Ambassador Real Estate, 402-690-1687, or just give me an email, mark@markrenner.com. I invite you to go to my website at markrenner.com and just browse. There's lots of interesting videos and special reports on buying and selling a home and mortgages and builders that you can order. Thank you for watching my video today. Have a great day and be safe.